Hi friends, welcome back in our channel Colorful Aviation. Today's our topic is ELT, Emergency Locator Transmitter. ELT is also one of the important part of the SAR because search and rescue process start from ELT. Generally, ELT is fixed aft of the fuselage, where sensation of vibrations are less or negligible. It is powered by battery. Color of ELT is international orange. ELT operates on frequency 406 MHz, 121.5 MHz and 243 MHz. ELT may be activated by manually or automatically. ELT is used to locate aeroplanes in distress and in needs of immediate rescue. When ELT installed on aircraft, it may be connected to an external antenna. ELT can capable of the continuous operation for up to 50 hours. ELT signals usually detected within the 90 minutes with the help of the SARSAT and COSPAS satellite. Three types of the switch installed in ELT. One is gravity switch, second is identical switch and third is reset switch. Gravity switch automatically operates the ELT transmitter if it senses on the impact of the 5G or above. Second is identical switch, which on or off the ELT. Third is reset switch. It resets the ELT in case of inadvertent operation. One light also installed in the ELT which indicates the transmission condition of the ELT with blinking lamp and anonymous siren tone. One remote switch is also installed in cockpit. The switch has three positions: arm, off, on. Arm. In this position, ELT is ready to be activated. Off. In this position, ELT is power off and cannot be switched on upon impact. On. In this position, manually operated the transmitter. Now we see the checking of ELT. Checking of ELT according to the manufacturer's recommendation. Ensure it that ELT is free from external corrosion and also check the antenna connection. Checks the ELT battery. If battery is expired, replace it. The most important point in ELT checking, that is any test about ELT, that is ELT is working or not, it must be conducted only during the first 5 minutes of any UTC, Universal Coordination Time, hours, and restricted in duration to not more than 5 seconds. While testing of ELT, tune on designated frequency and then ELT must be activated. It is important to take permission from the air traffic controller is mandatory for testing of ELT. Let's see type of the ELT. There are 5 types of the ELT. ELT AF, ELT AP, ELT AD, ELT P and ELT-W. ELT-W is also called as ALT-S. ELT-AF, automatic fix. It is activated automatically and it is fixed in aircraft. It is not portable. ELT-AP, automatic portable. It is activated automatically and it is portable. ELT-AD, it is an automatic deployable ELT. It is automatically activated. It is portable and also activated in case of water ingression. ELT-P, personal activated ELT. It is activated manually. ELT-W or S, water ELT or survival ELT. It is portable and it is manually activated. It is all about the ELT. We will meet in our next video. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Bye friends.